You go to put texture on your wall. You're gonna start out just like you done your ceiling. You're gonna take your brush and smack it on the wall. Now I'm cutting some steps out. Now I see some people, they'll take a roller and roll a paint roller and roll it on the ceilings, walls, whatever they're gonna do, and then come back and smack it. But I'm one person, I don't want to go through all of that rolling and then coming back, so I just cut one step out and just smack it. Like I said, you can put on that thin or as thick as you would like. You also can get one of them nap rollers. One of them nap rollers, and they kind of give you the same look. It's like smacking it. But once I smack it, I'm gonna come back with a straight edge and lightly drag it. Same process. Just put it on here. Thick or as thin as you'd like to have it. Get up in them corners. Wall coming right along. Some of you might be asking, why am I doing this? Well, that's because I don't like that sanding. I don't like all that dust. I much rather do this than have all that dust going in my lungs, all up my nose and everywhere. And I like the look of it. And get down here at the bottom. That's not that crucial right here at the bottom. The base trim will cover that up anyway, so that's not really that crucial right there. This whole wall has now been smacked. This room is small. What I usually do, I may do a whole wall to give it time to start setting up. So if I start over here and work my way over, by the time I finish, I come back over here and start knocking it down. You knock it down, you can get you a big straight edge like this, or you can just use your knife you've been using. Do it just lightly, just real light. Don't put no pressure on it at all. Just let the weight of the knife just fall to the bottom. Just the weight of the knife itself. Don't put no pressure on it at all. Just let the weight of the knife just do the work. Just like that. That's why you give it a little bit of time to set up, because if it's still too wet, too moist, it won't look right. It just starts smearing. Let it set up, and just let the weight of the knife do the rest. Real light drag. And give it a go around your window. How you like a paintbrush, something small. You can use your brush you done your wall with, or a different kind of brush. I do this to get up here. You can texture it, you can nap it up with your brush. You do this for any little tight corners. Get you a paintbrush. Always remember, go ahead and tape around it. Keep from getting it all on your window. Less cleanup you're going to have to do later. You bring the brush to get up in this corner right here. Once you lined it, then you can take this brush and do the wide part of the window sill. Get that corner right there on that corner bead. Get back over here on this window. Might have to just pull it this way. Give it that definition in now. Real lightly drag it, pull it towards you. I'm satisfied with that. After taping and mudding everything and stippling on the ceiling, testing all the walls, it only took 2 full buckets and about 1/4 of the third one. While I'm waiting on this last wall to set up, I'm gonna just take and clean these buckets out. Like I said, we don't waste no material. Take and clean these buckets out, get all this out, and then rinse them out. And then you got 2 clean, empty buckets if you need a bucket for something else. I'll pull this tape off now before it sits up too hard. If it sits up too hard, then it start pulling, it start cracking and pulling your mud back. So while it's setting up, it's still kind of moist, I'll just go ahead and pull the tape off of it. This has been completely textured, all 4 walls, ceiling been stippled. There you have it, folks.